Do you feel your energy dropping a few hours before Iftar, especially during the last 10 days of Ramadan? And is your dream this Ramadan to lose belly fat and build abs muscles? Follow these 3 principles. Principle 1. Suhoor is the key. Suhoor is not optional. Suhoor is not a snack. Suhoor is the key, wallah, to keep energy, lose belly fat, and gain muscles during Ramadan. Why? Because suhoor determines 3 things for 15 to 17 hours of fasting. Minerals, polyphenols, hydration. Let's explain clearly. Minerals are essential for muscle contraction, nerve signals, focus, energy production. When minerals are low, what's happened? Fatigue, weak workout, poor recovery, because muscles are built in recovery time, low concentration. You cannot build the abs muscles without minerals. Polyphenols are powerful plant compounds in natural food. They reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, protect cells, support fat metabolism. This means better energy, better fat loss, better muscle preservation while fasting. And hydration is not fixed at Iftar. Hydration is built at suhoor. If suhoor is weak, energy collapses in the afternoon, especially in the last 10 days of Ramadan. That's exactly why we create the smart suhoor formula. Without structure, Ramadan becomes survival. With structure, Ramadan becomes transformation. Principle 2. Training time is essential. Now let's talk about your goal. Lose belly fat and gain muscles. Build abs muscles. The best time to train during Ramadan is the last hour before Iftar. Why? Because insulin levels are dropping rapidly. When insulin is low, the body starts using visceral fat, the dangerous fat around the organs, as energy. We explained visceral fat in our previous video. This is exactly how you target it. So what do we recommend? 30 minutes every day, AAI abs workout, while we work abs, legs, back, buttocks, arms, every day. Keep 3 videos in our YouTube playlist. This is how you lose belly fat and gain muscles at the same time. Ramadan is a 30-day powerful window, but only perseverance brings results. Stay committed. This window does not repeat. Principle 3. We are the experts of Muslim healthy lifestyle. Let me say this clearly. We are the experts of Muslim healthy lifestyle. And now the proof. Let me talk about Mehmet Ali, Turkish Muslim executive father. His goals: lose belly fat and gain muscles, get rid of acne, increase energy, especially in Ramadan. What's happened? He lost 8 kilos of visceral fat, his skin started to breathe again, acne disappeared, his energy increased so much that he could finally play with his children after work. Before, he couldn't. A. Applied the smart suhoor formula. B. Trained 30 minutes every day with AAI abs. He built muscles, stronger body, stronger couple. C. Observed prayer time with commitment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rewarded him and his family. His children and cousins followed his example. MashaAllah. And personally, I, Coach Morad, structure my Ramadan exactly like this, and Chef Chano prepares AAI bread for my Iftar, delicious, healthy and aligned. This is not theory, this is our life. When your goals this Ramadan are lose belly fat and gain muscles, build abs muscles, keep energy high, especially in the last 10 days, check the Smart Suhoor Formula link, apply the 3 principles, stay committed. When you do this, you already win before your goals manifest. Ashkur Allah. Have a blessed Ramadan, everyone. Thank you. Chef Chano, Coach Morad, AAI Oriental Mix.